Buying car insurance in Dubai seems simple, until your car gets damaged in a storm or a garage hands you a 10,000 dirham repair bill because you picked the wrong policy. Before you renew your registration on the RTA app, here are the top 4 car insurance providers in the UAE for 2026 and the hidden fine print you need to check before paying. When you go to buy or renew your policy, most car owners look at one number, the price. But in the UAE, two fine print traps determine whether your policy actually protects you when you need it. First, the agency repair cutoff. Most insurers only offer official manufacturer agency repairs for cars up to 3 years old. After that, you are bumped to approved non-agency garages. If you want agency repairs on a 4-year-old car, expect a steep surcharge or stick to standard garage networks. Second, flood and storm exclusions. Following major rainfall events across Dubai and the Northern Emirates, comprehensive doesn't automatically mean storm-proof. Basic third-party policies never cover flood damage to your own vehicle. Even some budget comprehensive plans treat natural disasters as an optional add-on or require explicit weather clauses. Let's start with provider number 1, Sukoon Insurance, formerly known as Oman Insurance. Sukoon is one of the oldest and largest insurers in the UAE, known for structured, comprehensive coverage. Sukoon's comprehensive policies automatically include natural calamity cover, including floods, rain, and storm damage, provided the car was legally parked or driving under normal conditions. They offer agency repairs for new vehicles, covering up to 3 years standard, with options to extend to year 4 or 5 on premium tiers. For extras, you get 24/7 emergency roadside assistance across all 7 Emirates, plus optional off-road extension packages if you drive an SUV into the desert. The catch? Sukoon's premiums sit on the higher end of the mid-market price spectrum. If you're driving a 7-year-old sedan, paying extra for Sukoon's premium comprehensive tier might not be cost-effective compared to budget providers. Second on our list is Gig Gulf, formerly AXA Gulf. Gig Gulf is popular in the UAE for its streamlined online purchase portal and transparent tiered plans. Gig clearly separates its car insurance into 3 tiers. Tier 1, guaranteed agency repairs at authorized dealerships for up to 5 years, one of the longest windows of any insurer on this list. Tier 2, a vetted network of quality repair shops for older cars, at a lower premium than the agency repair tier. Tier 3, third-party liability plan. Covers damage you cause to others, meeting the mandatory UAE legal minimum, up to 3.5 million dirham in liability protection, rising to 5 million dirham on Gig's premium motor prestige tier. You can lock in up to a 10% online discount directly on their website, and their digital claims processing is among the fastest in Dubai. Flood cover is included under their standard comprehensive packages, but note that their basic third-party product does not cover damage to your own car from standing floods. Third is watania takaful. If you prefer Sharia-compliant Islamic insurance based on takaful principles of cooperative risk sharing, watania is one of the leading options in the UAE. Watania operates on a takaful structure where policyholder contributions are pooled cooperatively. Their comprehensive plans offer competitive pricing for everyday commuters in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah. They cover standard agency repairs for vehicles under 3 years old, transitioning to an authorized garage network for older cars. Natural disaster cover for storms and floods is provided on comprehensive policies, subject to standard policy terms. The catch here is that rental car replacement during repairs is typically an optional add-on rather than a default inclusion on basic tiers, so be sure to select that option if you require a replacement vehicle while yours is being repaired. Fourth is adnic, the Abu Dhabi National Insurance Company. Adnic is a government-backed, publicly listed insurance giant with large financial reserves and extensive network coverage across the UAE. ADNIC's Gold policy offers third-party property damage coverage limits up to 3.5 million dirham, alongside full comprehensive benefits. They have an extensive network of approved garages across all Emirates and a dedicated 24/7 motor claims helpline. Like the others, agency repairs are standard for cars up to 3 years old and can be requested for older luxury or high-value vehicles under specific Gold policy terms. Natural storm damage is covered under Gold and standard comprehensive tiers. Their basic third-party liability plan is budget-friendly, but strictly covers damage to the other person's vehicle. Here is how these 4 compare side by side. Sukoon is best for premium peace of mind, with a 3 to 5 year agency repair window and full flood cover included. Gig Gulf takes the win for the longest agency repair window on this list, up to 5 years plus flood cover included on comprehensive plans, a 10% online booking discount, and liability protection up to 5 million dirham if you go with their premium tier. Watania takaful is best for competitive Sharia-compliant coverage, with standard comprehensive storm protection. ADNIC is best for high liability coverage limits, with its gold plan providing up to 3.5 million dirham in third-party cover. Here is your decision checklist before renewing on the RTA app. If your car is 0 to 3 years old, look for comprehensive with agency repair. If your car is 3 to 7 years old, consider comprehensive with approved garage repair to save 30 to 40% on premiums. And always verify the flood clause wording to confirm it explicitly includes natural calamities and rain damage before finalizing payment. Which car insurance provider are you currently using in Dubai, and what quote did you get for your renewal this year? Drop your experience in the comments below to help fellow drivers compare real-world rates. If this direct breakdown saved you time, like this video and subscribe to Jam Packed for practical UAE finance and expense comparisons every single week.